Okay, we're almost complete. So we have one more piece of the puzzle that we want to add here, and that is another visualization. So let's go back to our final product, and we'll see what we want to add here. So the last one is the count of voucher number by voucher type code. So yeah, this is very similar to everything that's underneath the matrix and the pie chart here. It's just a little bit different. So I'm going to pause the video and see if you can figure out how to do this on your own. So this is a tree map, and you're doing a count of the voucher numbers by voucher type code. So see if you can figure that out on your own, and then I'll pause the video and we'll solve it together. Okay. All right, so let's add this in. So what this is another visualization, so we make sure we got nothing selected, and we're going to add a tree map, a blank one here, and just going to make it a little bigger so you can see it. And we are going to we're going to put the voucher type code as the group. So we can take that and just drag it over, or we can the checkbox. So there we go. And the next one we want to put is the values, and that's where we want to put voucher number. So let's drag voucher number to values here. And there we go. So let's see, is it summing it? It is. So we want to change that to count. So now it's counting the voucher numbers, and yeah. So that's how we do that. But there's actually one more thing that we need to fix, and that would be somewhere in this this one here that we copied over. So I'm gonna have let's go back and look at the final product. And why don't you have a look at what's going on here? Count of voucher number by source create user, and count of source create user by voucher type code. So we do not have the same criteria in here. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that. So if we go back to our final product, let's have a look at what's going on here. So in our details, we have source create user, and our values, we have a count of the voucher number. So if we go to our tutorial one, we're backwards. So let's fix that. Sometimes it's just easier to start from scratch. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our PBI tutorial, and we're going to select our pie chart here. And you know what we're going to do? We're actually just going to delete everything out of it. So all you got to do is you click on the X here, and that'll take it out, and it'll take it out. So let's put in the things that we actually want to have in there. So that's just how you remove fields from an item, from a visualization. So back to our model here. So let's just mimic what we have here. So in the details, we want to have source create user, and values, we want a count of voucher number. So we're going to put that into this one. So we can drag source create user to details. And the next one we want to add is voucher number. We can drag that to values. And we're going to change that to count. So there we go. And if we go back to our final product here, you'll see that everything that we have on here is now on the tutorial we made. So we're good to go. So the last thing we'll do is just kind of move some stuff around a bit, and that'll be the next video.